How to recover deleted phone call history on your Android. So if you want to recover a deleted phone call history on your Android, then what you need to do is just watch this video. First, you need to turn off the network connection. Do not call anymore. It is very crucial because there is a 90% chance that when you call, then your deleted or your missing call logs will be replaced. After that, the first method, which is the best and simplest recovery method, that is to use debug Android call logs, which is recovery software. It is a software to recover erased call logs. You need to connect your Android device to your PC with a working USB cable and then follow the on-screen instructions. You need to choose the first option, which is recover your phone data. After that, you need to go and connect your device to a computer and then select the methods of recovery, which is you need to go with a full scan, which will be on the right side. Once you do that, you need to go with next and your phone will be connected, right? Once the scan has been completed, the software will show you a list of files that can be recovered. You can selectively download, export the call logs for your needs. After that, it will be recovered. That's how you can restore your data. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.